I don't know where Marcos is. I don't have any mirrors. Well, I guess I'll turn around. Hopefully he's fine. Maybe he went down that way. Wiped out, doesn't want to start. Oh man.
Well, he's Michael Motorcycle. He's a Michael Motorcycle. Michael Motorcycle. He's a Michael Motorcycle. Michael Motorcycle. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh man. Left out from over there. Oh. Came in way too hot. You have to get the van. Try to check engine light. Damn, that sucks. Oh well, I mean, it's kinda. Knew I was gonna fall. Yeah, kinda. I was worried about you. I was waiting for a minute. Yeah, outside calling and everything. I figured you wouldn't hear because of that. Yeah. Okay, I'll go back and get the van. Oh, dang, that sucks. Now hopefully I don't wipe out. Oh guys, well, another project. I just hope he's not afraid to get on another bike again, you know? This is his first time riding. There's 100. I don't want him to feel too bad, you know. I really hope that, you know, he still likes bikes and this doesn't scare him away from getting another one or riding that one still, you know. He fell down. I need to get the van because the bike's not starting. The little one? Yeah. Yeah, he went at the turn too fast and couldn't turn in hard enough, but it's okay. He's fine. He busted his knee up. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, it was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna happen during Willie. I wonder why it's not starting. If you guys have any ideas, let me know, because I see bikes go down all the time on the internet and they still start, you know. I didn't even look at the bike that much. I just tried starting it. The shift lever looked pretty bad, but I wanted to replace that anyway, so that's fine. I'm sure it'll be something simple to get it started. Keeping my hopes high. Now at least when I do a wheelie and I do drop it, I won't feel as bad. Even though I know it's been dropped before I bought it. That R6 has me so happy that I don't even care about this whole thing with the accident. I was going to start up a wheelie series, but looks like we're doing Z build series instead. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, you're on your way?
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Alright, the bike runs.
That's good. Do you want to ride it back?
Well, since you're almost here, I'll just ride the car back, the van.
Alright, sounds good.
I'll ride it, but I want you to fill, make sure everything feels as normal.
True, that's smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see what I mean by it's harder to turn than in the car?
Yeah, I just didn't lean into it, and then, I don't even know, I just didn't lean into it.
Yeah, I bet you if you were more comfortable with it, you could have saved it, but you know, it's all good. I'm gonna drop it anyway when I do wheelies.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I'm glad it runs.
Yeah, because when it fell and it was running, it basically flooded.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. It might have flooded or whatever.
Yeah, so I was looking up how to unflood it, and everyone said that with these newer ones, you just wait.
Just let it all go seep down or whatever.
Yeah, so I let it wait, and I tried it, and it didn't work, and I was all, ooh, and then I just let it wait longer, and then I finally tried it.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't get it to go in gear, and I was like, ooh, well, something's busted. I checked the clutch, the wiring, everything was good. And it's because the kickstand was down.
Yeah. I know, I was freaking out the first time I ever rode it. I was like, ooh, I bought a piece of crap. But yeah, that kickstand. Yep. That's funny. Yeah, I'm literally around the corner.
Cool. Yeah, it drives. I'm a little further up where it's flatter so you can get off the road.
That's good, yeah. Cool, sounds good. Alright,
Do you have the helmet or no?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna take this one off.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright.
Later. I'll let you try to U-turn it.
There you go. My knee hurts.
I bet. Let me see your knee. Can't even pick it up.
I just don't want to pull on it more than I have to.
Dang, it looks pretty bad. Well, I mean, lesson learned. I hope you're not scared to ride the bike.
No, not at all.
Cool. That's good now.
Harder now.
Yeah, now that you kind of know how it works, how it feels, you know.
Yeah.
I can't take the camera with me.